Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you the hidden extension, unlock premium features of Spotify. So let's get started. So firstly, open your browser, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for SPO plus. Then I will already added this. Firstly, I remove and then again added. Add to Chrome. Add extension. SPO plus is a Firefox SPO Plus is extension that enhance your Spotify web player experience. Does not replace Spotify, but it adds useful features that you normally don't get. So we will visit on now Spotify. Open the website. Firstly, we will in the Spotify extension. Now you will see this is the purple interface. If we want to change it, simply click on select theme, then change the color like dark red and also font like this. You can change any font you would like. Also change the theme. From there you can also enable navigate bar, hide it, keep a side menu width static, make all avatars rectangle, display now playing view, make everything square shaped like you will see this, and every icon will be in the square shaped. Enable low end PC optimization, and many more features you can use with free of cost. And that's it. The SPO Plus simple but powerful. If you found this video helpful, press the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and thanks for watching.